Can you believe this viral TikTok coconut candy need just 3 ingredients? Let's make it fast, sweet, and crunchy. All you need is one grated coconut, half a cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of water. That is it. No blender, no oven, just pure coconut. Start by adding sugar and water into your pan. Let it melt. That's your caramel's base. If you love this coconut candy, drop a comment. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe for more viral recipe every week. Can you see the chemistry that is going on my pot? Just give this video a thumbs up. Now add the grated coconut and stir. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. Just be turning. And you will see it getting, and a pinch of salt. As you can see, it is getting sticky and golden brown. Just feel free to do whatever you love doing. Do it the way you love to do it. This is how I love to do my own. Make sure that the water are dried up. And there you have it. Your sweet, crunchy, viral what coconut candy is ready. Just spread it and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. You can enjoy it so, or you can still mold it to any shape. That's what I'm trying to do. But it is hot. It can only mold while hot. You can't mold it cold. So you have to be fast in molding it, or you enjoy it like so. Mold it to any shape of your choice. Just do anything that is convenient for you. As you can see, it is still hot, but we keep on molding. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe for more viral recipe every week.